Hello my dear students, in our previous video we were discussing regarding some functions, MS Excel functions. In that we were discussing particularly about mathematical functions. So we will see some more mathematical functions today. The first one is the log function. Okay, the next one is log function. So it finds the logarithm of a given number. So we all know how to find the logarithm. So in a easier way, we use the syntax equal to log of n. Okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದ logarithm ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can use these functions in the bracket. The n represent the number. In that place you can suppose I want the logarithm of 2. What you have to do? Just select this and click on the log function. You will get the logarithm of a particular functions, right? The next one is mod function, that is the moderate. It finds the remainder of a given number. Suppose I have taken one number 14 and I have divided it by 2, I get what? Remainder is 0. To find such things we can use the mod functions, right? So in that we can use the syntax equal to sign mod in bracket n, where you can enter your data, right? So the last one in the mathematical function is round function. Okay, what it does, it finds the remainder of a given number. What it does, it find the round figure of a given number. Suppose I took 36.5, it make the round figure as 37. If it is 36.6, it make it as 37 as a round figure of a given number. Okay, so the next function in MS Excel is the text function. We will see what text function is. These functions are used to manipulate the text or string. We will be having some strings. We can enter the data in terms of text also in our MS Excel worksheets. So to do particular operation on that text, we will be using the text functions, right? So the first function is char function, that is character function anta helತೀವಿ. char means character function. It finds the value of ASCII character corresponding to the given number or a value. Suppose I have entered a in a particular cell. In our computer, every text having its ASCII value. ASCII is a number given to a particular value. So what it does, it function find the ASCII character of that particular value and prints in a particular cell. Getting? Next one is lower function. It converts the characters in lower case. Suppose I have written A, B, C here. If you work with lower function, it converts it into lower case, like small letter A, B, C. That is the lower function. Lower in bracket any word. They have asked in previous year these questions, lower and upper functions. Okay. Next one is upper function. So it converts the character in upper case. Suppose I have written small letter A, B, C. If you use the upper function, what it does, it convert the ABC into capital ABC, right? Then next one is len function, that is the length anta helತೀವಿ ನಾವು. It used to find the total number of character present in the string. Suppose this is my string, this is my text. If you use len function, it will find how many characters are there. Here we have 3 characters, right? So to find in a particular word ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ the len function ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? The next one is left function. It returns the leftmost character of a particular value. Suppose I have written text here, text. If you use the left function, it only returns the leftmost value. leftmost, that is t, it will return the t, the particular left value of a given word ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The syntax is equal to sign left in bracket any word comma n. ನಿಮಗೆ n ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. 1 ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ದು 2 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ provide the right character of any word. If I use the right function, it will print or it will provide the rightmost of a given character. Getting? For the syntax is equal sign right in bracket any word comma n. Getting? Then find function. It finds the position at which the occurrence of search string begins in a string. Okay, I have written several sentence or several word. If I use find function, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ functionality of the find function. Getting? So the next functions in MS Excel is date as well as time function anta heli ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So the first formula or the first function in this date and time function is date, D-A-T-E, date. It converts a serial number to a day of the month. Okay, if I enter any number, it represent which date it is in a based on the calendar of your computer. Okay, the syntax is date in bracket number. Next one is day of a week. What it does is it converts a serial number to a day of the week. So okay, day of the week, DOW, that is day of week in bracket number. What it does, it converts a serial number ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. The next one is days 365. It calculates the number of days between two dates based on 365 days a year. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ it converts, it calculates. Suppose I have given 2 dates. What it does, it calculates the days between those 2 dates and it will represent in a particular cell. That is, suppose ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಡೇಟ್ಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಗಳ ಅಂತರವಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಡೇಸ್ 365 ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೀ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. The next one is time. It represents the time, right? It returns the serial number of a particular time. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಅ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರಲ್ಲೇ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Then today, it returns the serial number of today's date. As all of you know, in our computer, we will be having date as well as time settings. So if you use this function, it will reflect the date, today's date and the current time in our particular cell. Okay? I hope you understood these functions, and in our next class, we will take another set of functions. And I hope you understood these things. Till now, take care, stay home and stay safe.